Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Friday Night GAB. And y'all, I have a few things to talk to you about. I have been trying this past week, not sure what day I started, but I've been trying to tell you what I'm wearing on my eyes and what I'm wearing on my lips because I get questions from y'all asking what I'm wearing. So I thought maybe I would try to do that. So I'm wearing on my eyes today. This is the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette. I received this palette from Andy Does Stuff, and it's hard to see because of, you know, that stuff going on there. But here's the back of it. Same stuff going on. It says BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes Blueberry Muffin. It's a 16 color palette. And I love these colors. It's a lot of neutrals and then pops of blue in there. So, and again, that, you know, that trim is, it takes away from the palette. In fact, the first time I ever saw this palette, I didn't like it. And then I saw somebody use it, and I think I got it and I gave it away. And then I saw somebody use it and I thought it was gorgeous. And because, you know, this, whatever this is called, I always forget. Y'all know I always forget the name of that sparkly stuff. It takes away from the palette because the palette is so neutral and that stuff is so out there. I picked this today because I have these little blue flowers on. So I thought it would go nicely with that. And then I also used, this is the first time I'm doing this because I just thought to do it. This is Melt Makeup. This is my eyeliner, and it's a pencil. And previous to this, I use mostly a liquid liner, but this is a pencil, and it's Melt Makeup, and it is hard to read. So let me see what it says with the magnifying glass. It says all day, every day, ultra mattes. I can't even read it. Eyewear. I'm not sure melts. I don't see a color name. I thought that was going to be a color name on there. It has some numbers on it. It says 1987. So is that the color? Maybe. Made in the USA, which is nice. Melt Cosmetics. And it's very nice. It's black, and but it is almost even a little. It's not quite a stark black, if that makes sense. So I like it. And that's what I have on with this. And then my mascara. You know, I mean, I'm not going to tell you every detail of everything I wear. So my mascara today is the Iconic London. And then my lippy is Huda Beauty. And this one is called Fashionista, I think. Passionista. So this is a demi matte, and it goes on, you know, wet. It's a doe foot, you know, and then it dries down, and it's like a matte dried down, but it is not like dry on my lips. My lips feel moisturized. Hope that makes sense, but I love it. Okay, so that's what I'm wearing. So in my other videos, I've been doing that at the end. So, you know, I'm trying to remember. So give me a break on that. It's been a long and emotional week with the passing of my dear friend Doris. And I won't talk about that because it'll just make me cry. I reviewed, you know, y'all, I had the 2 advent calendars this year. The Ipsy advent calendar, the 25-day calendar, and then I also had the Space NK calendar. And a lot of y'all wanted me to review some of the products. So I did that this week. I have 4 videos of reviewing those 2 calendars. So if there's any questions about any products that you're interested in, I tell you what I think about them in those videos. So check those out. And if you did not see my January Allure Beauty Box, that was also this week. I'm telling you, Allure has just been knocking it out of the park. And then I got an email saying that it was time to pick for February, we get to pick an item. Since I've had Allure 3 or 4 years, I would say, and it was just maybe last year, was it just maybe last year that they started, where maybe twice, maybe 3 times last year we got to pick a product. Just one, but it was because it was like colors. So, you know, there was I didn't get the box, but there was a can of spray that you'd put on your roots. So you could choose your hair color for that can. And I did skip that box. That was this past November. Previously, I'm trying to remember. I don't really remember what else we picked. I think there was a lip liner, I think, something like that. Anyway, what we're picking from is Yves Saint Laurent Lippy. I'm so excited, so excited. And I think all 4 of the colors are those kind of colors that would look good on most skin tones. So it's hard, you know, for me, it's hard to pick unless I swatch it, you know, so I just did the best I could. So if you have Allure, you should have gotten an email. So, you know, we get barraged with emails. So a lot of emails, you know, you get the same, and I just delete. So sometimes you have to stop and look because that one's asking you to pick your color. And I suppose if you don't pick a color, they'll just give you one. So, and you may be very happy with that. And that would be fine. So I have been stuffy, on and off stuffy. I was really bad stuffy for a couple of days last week, and my auxiliary heat came on. I don't know if I told you all about that before. I think I did already. It's when it gets very cold outside, then the heat is on extra inside, and I think that just bothers my allergies or something. And then it was warmer for a couple of days, and then this was gone. And then it got cold again, and now it's back, and now it's getting warm again, so it's going away. Anyway, but some days I sound like I have a full-blown cold. So, you know, Dayquil and NyQuil. Let's see what else I got going on. I do have to work tomorrow, and this is the first time that I'm on the schedule at the veterinary clinic since September. You know, I told them a few years ago. I told them 2 years ago and 3 years ago, I think it was, that I was quitting, and they said I couldn't quit. And then the same thing happened a couple of years ago. So I haven't told them lately that I'm quitting, but they've not put me on the schedule, so it's okay. As long as I get my discount, that's what I want. I want to keep my discount because I have the pets, and they're expensive to take care of. So I'm happy to be on the schedule, but also because I miss the customers too. I miss the customers. I miss the girls that I work with. I work with a lot of great people, and I love them. And I do miss them when I'm not there. But I think they have me on for 2 weeks in a row because someone has a conflict next week. So if they just want to put me on, you know, I was like once a month. And then September, I can't remember what happened. I might have been sick. I don't remember. But something happened that I had to swap up with someone, or someone had to swap up with me. I don't remember. And then with the holidays and all, I just didn't end up back on the schedule till now. So I'm happy about that. I don't want to work there. I mean, I don't want the extra. I don't want to, but I want the discount. So I have to. And when I say I don't want to, it's only because I want my weekends free. It's not because I don't want to work there, because I love working there. Okay, so I just, especially with this going on, it's really hard to get up when the alarm rings in the morning. And so that's Saturday I could sleep in a little bit. You know, I never really sleep past 7:30, but it would be nice. 5:30 is when I have to get up every day. So, okay, so I have several giveaways going on. So please look for them. Of course, my treasure trove giveaway is always going on, and I think that's gonna, I'm gonna pick winners this week, the 19th, I think it is. So you have until the 19th to get in on that one, but then it's gonna continue. So if you miss it, it's no big deal because you can get into the next one. Because, you know, I mean, even if you're in now, you can get in for the next one. I hope that makes sense. Hey, Blue, what you up to? And I have I have a giveaway in my Mask Monday this week. And I have the CatLady Box giveaway. I'm so excited about that because they approached me and asked me if I wanted to do that. And that is available to the US and to Canada. And you can get this month's box if you want January box, which I love it. I have been wearing that sweatshirt. It's so cozy. And I'm sure I'll have it on one day soon for a video. And then I also have my I won a giveaway, so you can win a giveaway. Is I got my package from True Wants. I got a beautiful box filled with skincare items. And also True put a gift in there for me, a candle for my birthday, which was so sweet. And that's going on. That'll go on for a couple of weeks, and so will the CatLady Box. The Mass Monday giveaway is ending on Sunday afternoon. Sunday at noon is what I say, but it's usually more like 1 or 2 or 3 before I'll actually end it. So that's a couple sheet masks, and you know, it's not that big of a deal. But the CatLady Box is a big deal. The I won a giveaway, so you can win a giveaway is a big deal. I don't show you the giveaway in that video because the video is so long because there was so much in that fabulous box. So I will get with the winner and see what you like, and that's what I will send you. And I've been told I've been paying a fortune for postage the whole time I've had my channel. And I do a lot of giveaways, and postage is ridiculous, and it's going up again. It's going up on January 21. So I don't know if that's for a letter or just packages or whatever, but it's just nonstop goes up all the time. Well, I've been told by several channels over the years, maybe not over the years, but at least in the last year, I've been told by a couple of channels to try Pirate Ship. Is it Pirate Ship or is it Ship Pirate? I think it's Pirate Ship. And I finally listened and checked it out. And y'all, it is a couple. I'll save on my packages that I usually send my priority packages. I'll save almost $2 a package, and that's going to really add up. But still, you know, I spend a lot on postage because I love y'all and I want to send out giveaways. I want to send things to everybody. I really do, because I have so much to share. So I just want to tell you about that. If you have any packages that if you have to ship out regularly, check it out. I'll tell you, I most recently listened to Favorites with Laura. She was talking to me about it. And also Michelle, Wavy Like the Ocean, does not have a channel, but she's been telling me about it for a few months. And then also Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. They've been trying to tell me about it for at least a year, if not 2 years. So listen when people tell you stuff, because I'm saving money. I'm so excited that I'm saving money. So, okay, Blue. Blue is so needy. I just love him so much. He's so sweet. He's just the sweetest. He's the sweetest cat. I have had, you know, I've had many cats in my life, and some of them are super sweet, and this is one of them. He just doesn't have a mean bone in his body. He does hiss at little girl. He does. Because she gets on everybody's nerves. But he's so sweet. He just is he's a lover and a sweet boy. Aren't you, Blue? So he's just a beauty. So y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my Friday Night Gab. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I know that there is bad weather and crazy weather everywhere. So please be careful. Please make sure your tires are full and your battery is charged on your car. And make sure that if you have really the severe cold, which we are going to have in a couple of days, make sure you drip your water. Well, in the South here, we have to drip our water a little bit because even almost to a stream, because our pipes are above ground. A lot of pipes are above ground here, so pipes can break easily. So if you have that situation, make sure you pay attention to the weatherman and to, what you've heard all your life and what you've learned all your life. Listen to it and believe it and do it and take care of yourself and take care of your family and check on your neighbors, especially if you have some elderly neighbors and things like that, and also your pets. I know a lot of people have outside pets, and they're used to being outside, and they probably will be fine in the weather. But if it's really severely cold, if you have the opportunity to help them in, or to let them be in, or to be in a barn or something, then let them do that. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.